pop this thing off.
Is your battery dead?
No, I just I gotta clean off all the gunk.
Okay.
Thank you though. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't start a few days ago, but it's just because there's so much buildup on it. Yeah, look at this buildup. So I had to come to Walmart and get one of these brushes.
Oh yeah. When you get home, get some baking soda and some water or some vinegar on there, pour it out, or a can of Coke.
Just pour it right here?
Pour it right there.
Yeah, I got cherry Coke, that works.
That'll work.
Hey.
And the phosphoric acid cleans everything up.
Nice, all right.
It'll kill you. Yeah. Your connection there too.
Yeah, I thought I had a dead battery. I almost got new batteries, and then I was over here messing around with it, trying to take it off, and it
Make it something.
kick back on.
There you go.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Take care.
All right. Yeah, he's got a can of Coke. You don't want to do this too much with no protection on because it's just going to get off up in the air. It's kind of fucked up because it's all going through my shit. Anyway, scratch that up nice and good. Oh, it's all in here too. Oh, yeah. I don't like that. It's dirty as fuck in there. Let's see if I got a screwdriver. You gotta see how it's like dirty inside? Inside of this thing where that connects to the metal, inside that ring, it's dirty. That part needs to be clean or else it won't form a connection. It's got all that garbage built up on it. So get in here with something and just try and scrape some of that stuff off. Don't get any on your skin. Even just scrape it to expose the copper. It's cool. When it's